Hey guys, so today's video I'm gonna teach you how to like slime rot, and today I'm using my real voice because I'm too lazy to do all these stuff. So first, go to air, just search ASMR slime, and then pick any video you want, and just remove the text into it. For example, click on this, use it, and just use it. Wait for it to load. Let me just pause the video. Okay, after that, just delete the text right over here. Just delete the text, and then just export. Just like send it to yourself. Just wait for it to load. Let me just pause the video again. Okay, so after you pause it, you have to press 2 times on the left arrow. Then again, like 4 times, I think. And then you have to go to create video. Then go on video. Press the one that you saved. Then take picture of any character. But if you have the character already in your picture gallery, just take it out. For example, I will take this character and just put it right in the corner, right of here. Then just make it long as the end. And then just start talking. And then go to text. Press add text. And then just say hot take. Because this is how rants start. Just say hot take. That's all. You have to say hot take at the start. Because that's how ranter works. Then you can put any rant you want. For example, I choose this one, and if you want, you could change the fonts. In my opinion, you could use Cherry Blossom and Tokyo and Stardew Valley, so you can make this cool combo. Make text a bit small, right over here. Go to add voice. Then select any kind of voice you want to be. It can be female,
hot take,
or boy.
hot take.
I want to do as a boy because my character is a boy. So if your character is a girl, then you should do a girl voice. If your character is a boy, well, you should use a boy voice.
Hot take.
Since my character is a boy, I will select a boy voice.
Hot take.
I will use Playboy. Just nobody use this unless you're using 2D as a character and runs. Then you have to press confirm, and here you go. And then you could just continue your story. For example, that people just and then you could just say your story and just put the same filter, the same font. My god, the fray just happened. There, you could just do that, keep repeating the same thing and over with the voice. It's just, you need to keep repeating the text forces.
I just hate that people just lie to kick you out of the round.
Like, just keep doing your story. So when you're doing a slime rot, always start with a hot take, because that's how it works.
Hot take. I just hate that people just
And then just keep repeating the same thing with your story. Move your text a bit off if your character's a bit tall. If you want to. And after that,
Like, mate, if it joined total Roblox drama and say that someone is.
and then after you finish your story, go to stickers and you can just start decorating your rant how it looks like. For example, I can decorate mine, but please nobody steal my style. I'm trying to do my best and this is my style. Yeah, please nobody steal my style. I mean, you can take it if you want, but yeah, at least you can take it, but at least you need to give me credit for it, not gonna lie. Nah, also I kind of work hard. Like in every rant, it took me like about 20 minutes. Also, I think just kind of makes me tired sometimes. So if you like just hate a rant, well, congratulations that you're hating on a rant who worked hard on their videos. I mean, if you hate me, well, I would just personally roast you cause that's what I do when someone hates me, and just say rude stuff on me. I just roast her completely. Also, you can just decorate whatever style you like. You can copy my style if you like give me credit. But at least like mention me in video, like if you want to use my style. But I don't see nobody use this style, so yeah, probably nobody's gonna use this style. It's like how I do. Also, I always like these tiny stars in the corners because I like it with the style. Oh my! Ignore that. Ignore that. Okay, anyways, now we can just like decorate. And when you like just finish, and when you finish the rant, you have to say your YouTube username and then out. For example, like this, if you go on, like for example, like this, you go on text, press here, and just say your YouTube username. Like just say your YouTube username, and after that, just say out. That's how like ranters do the finale. And so yeah, that's the tutorial on how to be a ranter like me. Wish me luck on this new rant, I guess. Anyways, bye.